very interesting. I'm still in downtown Riverside. Looks like there's a few places they say open. I guess it is open. I was gonna start at Guillermo's. I like the sound of Guillermo's. Look at these signs. So neat. I love the signage. Now, if I could only find Guillermo's Treasures Mall. There's a lot going on here. Lots of thrift stores. I'm gonna go ahead and assume it's around this corner, maybe. All right, so Flamingo Antique Mall. I'm guessing it's down there. I guess I'm just gonna start here. Antiques. Looks neat. All right, this is a cool little nook. Oh my gosh, I love it. This looks like it could be a real wild card. Well, there's a couple things. One is that doll. 2 is the little kiddo's missing a shoe. 3 is whatever that box is back there. Interesting. I need to know how much that bottle is. So the Kewpie bottle was at $20. I'm really considering it, but I want to take a look around first. Oh my gosh, this jacket. Fantastic. If that was a different color, I would totally get that. Well, I was about to bite the bullet on that Kewpie powder, and the whole time my gut was like, I know you'll make money on this, but you're paying too much. And sure enough, I got to the cash register and they only take cash. So I left it behind. I just don't feel like dealing with that right now. I don't know where I am. I don't feel like running around looking for an ATM. I am just gonna go on to my next destination, which is, I finally found Guillermo's Treasures. So unfortunately, I can't film in here, but I'm gonna look around anyway. Well, that was definitely a little bit different than what I was used to. However, look at what I found. I spent $27 in there after tax and $25 for 2. This was the first thing I saw. This super rare 1968 Kamar doll. She just needs a little bath, but she's perfection. I also got one of these new old stock doll heads on a stick. So cute. The fact that she was in her original wrapping sold me. So $25 for the pair, not bad. And now I'm gonna go to the Flamingo Thrift Antiques and Collectibles Mall. Definitely different than what I'm used to. I'm kind of into it though. Nice change of pace. All right, well, I am gonna have to get in here. Oh no, they're $20. Dang, I was gonna say the pan set. I just saw a couple good prices in here, and the ice cream cones are at $17 back there. This is kind of wild. I'm into it. I like where this is headed. Look at this thing. So wild, even though it's contemporary. I love that big jewel. That is beautiful. Joseph Originals everywhere. Contemporary costume jewelry stacked full. What is that? Lighter. That's neat. That's at 20. That's not bad at all. I love that vase. Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of neat stuff in here. Wow, I love the California pottery, USA pottery head vase. These guys are interesting. I think they're glued to that rock though. And I like the heart salt and pepper shakers. Those are at 15. 1970s. Very eclectic. Oh, so cute. Those little bisque guys. I got a few of those the other day. All right, well, I like where this is going. Look at this. Of course, there's no price on it. I feel like that's a thing out here. People just kind of make stuff up, it seems like. Oh my gosh, stop. Look at these overalls. How fun. What are you? Who are you? $10. You're fantastic. But how old are you? I can't really tell. This is throwing me off. Garden decor frog. It looks like it could possibly be new, made to look old. Honestly, I think it is. Yeah, I'm gonna put that back, even though it's fantastic. If it was on a mushroom for $10, even if it was new, I'd probably get it anyway, but the log alone isn't gonna sell me. Well, the music is super loud over here, but as you guys can see, there's a lot to sift through. Oh, those are those Avon perfume bottles. Another thing I've noticed is that enamel flower pins in this area are very spendy. All right, nothing for me there. Let's move on. Finally, something my speed. It's so neat though. You know, it's contemporary. I love that color. It's very contemporary though. Yeah, this town just doesn't really seem like my speed. The houses here are really cute, but the antiquing is not really my thing. This dress is pretty epic though. It's got little pockets too. Wow, that's amazing. It's really old. Looks like I spoke too soon. First and foremost, 35. Wow, I've never seen this one with the furry ears. Okay, you got my attention now. Where should I start? I guess I should start here. Let's see. I love this single shaker. Cute. Now we're talking. $18 in pristine condition. This fantastic elephant picture. I think I'd do very well on him. I'm gonna pick that up at 18. And then the Santa squeak, 8. Doesn't squeak, but that evens out that cost average. That's a really awesome one. And even though it doesn't really squeak, he's still in pretty good condition. Now, what's happening down here? This little doctor doll, so cute. Is that a doctor and nurse? Oh my gosh, so cute. Stop it. Oh, sorry, doc. And then this one's the nurse. Oh, she's a little rough though. I don't know, man. I usually pick up nurse stuff because it does well, but I'm not sure about that one. What is this? Oh my gosh, I'm making such a mess. I'm like just so excited to see something. I'm starting to get bored. What is this? I thought they had snails on them for a second. Love the Smurfs plate. Smurfs doesn't do very well for me though. All right, little Donald and Pluto. Pump up the jams, pump the jams. What is going on? Is a wagon? It's a very strange looking oh, it's a tractor bank. Those do well, but I'm not sure about the tractor theme. Now, I love this so much. Japan. Oh my gosh, this is fantastic. $8. Yes, please. Wow, that's in such good condition and it's so unique. All right, I'm still trying to go shelf by shelf. So this looks important, $10. Rubber baby with basket, $10. What, dude? Doesn't squeak, but for 10, I'll take that too. All right, now this vintage baby shaker, $8. That's a really good deal. I don't know how well that would do. What about the tennis? I know I don't usually do sports themed because I usually get stuck with it, but this is pretty fantastic. And for $6, I can't really argue, right? Because it's not repaired or anything. Looks pristine. I'll take that. Now I need to start bringing some of this stuff up to the front, but before I do, 12. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm gonna have to look at that better when I come back. I just need to come back to this booth. I like this too. I like a lot more stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Needed this. Wait. What's this? Not what I thought. Okay, what do we have here? Fabric dogs, $5 sold. Fabric bunnies, $5 sold. And should I just... Miscellaneous fabric animals, $5. I think I see some cats and I think I see a chicken. I'm gonna take all of them. Why not? All right. Let's see what other treasures we can... Mini moccasins. Cute. It's a really different booth. I appreciate it. Let's see. What did I leave over here? I left the... You know, I have a feeling someone might be disappointed I left those at 12, but I did pick up another pair of glass salt and pepper shakers at the front for 12 when I went to drop that stuff off that I kind of liked better. Coin a day, the Walk, Talk, See, and Play California Elks major product. This is so fun, and it's mechanical. I kind of love that. It's only $6. I wonder how well it would do. I'm gonna keep looking. I don't really see anything else over here. And I'm just like second guessing myself. I'm like, did I really not see anything else over here? These are plastic. Now I'm just like, let me look at everything. This looks like all cooking stuff. Buttons. Stereo viewers. What's behind them? Cabinet cards. I don't think I have the patience for this today, although that's pretty fantastic. What's up here? Vintage coasters. World's smallest fly swatter. What, dude? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and take all 4 of these for $4 a piece. 1951 in the original packaging. And fly swatters are like a weirdly collectible thing. I'm gonna try and do some research on these before I put them in my buy it now or something. Well, I don't know why somebody decided to put the stickers right over the dog's face, but I can see this is a super kitschy little dog underneath here. And they're in there all wrapped up. I mean, kind of feel like, why not, right? Yeah, these are adorable. $3, I'm gonna take them. Now, I really like this new old stock vintage stationery, but the pattern on it, I don't think it would sell that well. The other thing, I can't decide if I should get these. They're $3 each. It sounds kind of crazy not to. Well, somehow I seem to have missed the bag of anthropomorphic sailboats. So I'm gonna take these too. This is so necessary. I needed this. I was like, oh, sleepy time. Love these lamps too. Wait, does this say $35? $35 each, yeah. Wow. That's kind of awesome. I feel like I should get those, but I don't want to mess with them with all the amount of stuff I have going on.